Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. We're back once again in my Nissan 370Z, and today I'm going to talk about the Nissan 370Z's. I don't know if it's like the biggest flaw, but it is a flaw of the 370Z, or at least something that is a very big pet peeve of mine, and a lot of other owners as well. And that is there's no place to put your phone. Like for real. Like there's literally no place to put your phone. So let me flip the camera around here and kind of show you what I see in my car. So this is what I see in my 2016 Nissan 370Z. Um, in the middle, there's really no place to put your phone. I mean, this cup holder is really, really small. Most phones will not fit in there. So you can't just put your phone in there. It kind of sucks because that would be an ideal spot for it. When it comes to the doors, all you have is this right here. Very small area, and it's a pain pulling your phone out of there. So I would not recommend that. Um, so really, there's no way to have your phone in this vehicle. So what I have done in my car is I have a jacket here, and it doesn't have to be this particular jacket or a thick jacket or whatever. It just can be any jacket. But this is a great idea for other Z owners um, to have some place to put your phone. So basically what you do is you lay your jacket down over the center console and everything right here. So you lay it down and you kind of create a space for it. Now I have my parking brake up, so it's not really going to work out that well right now, but basically you create a space for it right here and you can just set your phone in there. And that's where my phone stays in this vehicle. So basically this jacket has saved me from having my phone either in the seat, flying off, or whatever. Like it saved me a lot. So I highly recommend that you do this. If you have a 370Z, just take like a jacket or something else that you can create kind of like a space for it where it won't slide around, and just put it right here. So that's what I do for my setup. I also have a charger down here. It's actually a really unique charger for my phone. It supports fast charging because I have a Samsung phone. So basically my phone can be charged up to full charge in like an hour 15, hour 30. And I ran the wire up, and basically it goes beside the seat right there and comes up to here. So I get to plug my phone in. So it's always charging and sitting right there where I can access it. Um, and it's just very, very convenient for me to do this. A lot of people at the dealership that I take this vehicle to, they're probably curious why I always have this jacket here. But it's for my phone. I literally can just set it down right there and it won't move anywhere. So that is kind of like my hack, I guess you could say, for the problem of not having anywhere to put your phone in this vehicle. So hopefully that kind of gave you an idea of how to kind of combat that issue if you have a 370Z, because your phone, if it's in your pocket, that's going to be super annoying, like pulling it out and all that. You just want to have access to it if you need it right away, if someone's calling you, for instance. The 370Z does have a built-in way to answer calls if your phone is paired to it. However, sometimes you just want to pull it out for watching YouTube videos. Hopefully not while you're driving, but like if you want to pull it out or play some music in the background like I do, I just start some music up. It's going through the playlist and I just have it sitting right there in the middle. So that's what I do. That's where I put my phone in my 370Z. But hopefully this hack works for you. Hopefully it's something that can kind of help you with that, annoying issue of not knowing where to put your phone. Because in this car, it's not really convenient when it comes to having a place to store your phone. And the cup holders as well, you can't really use them unless you have like a really narrow drink of some kind. So I only really have narrow drinks in this car because I can't do anything else. So there's just some weird things about this vehicle. Um, but when it comes to the phone specifically, that's what I would say, what I would recommend that you do to kind of combat that issue. Um, You don't have to use a jacket. You can use anything else that you want. But just have something there that can support it on both sides so that way it won't just slide off. Because otherwise, then that hack doesn't really work if it just slides off and doesn't stay in place. Um, but I use this jacket here. I have a bunch of jackets laying around, so I just use that jacket for this car. But that's pretty much my hack for fixing that issue with the 370Z. And I know a lot of people, they're watching my content about the 370Z. You may not know why I had that jacket there all the time. So hopefully this kind of answers that for you. Um, but yeah, I think I'm going to wrap the video up here. This video wasn't really meant to be that long. I think I'm going to shoot another video while I'm out here. Um, yeah, I'll shoot another video while I'm out here. But thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.